Local Alpha News.
Real news for real world.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday visited the site of the Air India crash in Ahmedabad, where the London-bound flight carrying 242 people went down a day earlier. The aircraft crashed minutes after takeoff from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, killing 241 people. Only one passenger, a British national of Indian origin, survived. The scene of devastation is saddening, PM Modi said in a post on X after reviewing the wreckage. Met officials and teams working tirelessly in the aftermath. Our thoughts remain with those who lost their loved ones in this unimaginable tragedy. After his visit to the crash site, the Prime Minister proceeded to Ahmedabad Civil Hospital, where he met the injured and offered support to grieving families. He also interacted with doctors and medical staff, including those who had been hurt in the crash, and reviewed the condition of patients receiving treatment. Later, the Prime Minister chaired a high-level review meeting in Ahmedabad, joined by Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu, State Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi, and other senior officials from both the central and state governments. Flight AI-171, headed to London Gatwick, crashed into the hostel complex of BJ Medical College at 1:38 p.m. Indian Standard Time on Thursday, triggering a massive blaze and a large-scale emergency response. Union Home Minister Amit Shah visited the crash site on Thursday and later chaired a high-level meeting with Civil Aviation Minister Naidu, Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, and senior officials to review relief and rescue measures. Shah said DNA testing was underway to confirm the identities of the victims and assured that results would be delivered at the earliest by Gujarat's Forensic Science Laboratory, FSL, and the National Forensic Sciences University, NFSU. DNA samples of family members arriving from abroad would be collected on arrival, he added. A formal investigation into the crash has been launched by the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, AIB, in accordance with international protocols under the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, said Civil Aviation Minister Naidu. A high-level expert committee is also being formed to examine the incident and suggest safety improvements to prevent future tragedies. The United States National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, announced it would send a team of investigators to India to assist the AIB. The NTSB will be leading a team of U.S. investigators traveling to India to assist the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau with its investigation into the crash of an Air India Boeing 787 in Ahmedabad, India, Thursday, the agency said, noting that all official updates would come from the Indian government under ICAO's Annex 13 protocols. Rescue and relief operations continue. Rescue operations continued through the night as teams sifted through debris for missing aircraft parts. Parts of the plane's fuselage were scattered around the smoldering building into which it crashed. The tail of the plane was stuck on top of the building. Air India CEO Campbell Wilson reached Ahmedabad early Friday. The airline said it had set up friends and relatives assistance centers at Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Delhi, and Gatwick airports to support the families of those on board. These centers are facilitating the travel of family members to Ahmedabad, Air India posted on X. Emergency contact numbers were also issued for those seeking information, 1-8005691444 for calls from within India, and +9 1-8062779200 for international callers. The Tata Group, which took over Air India in 2022, announced a compensation of 1 crore rupees for the family of each deceased passenger. Tata Group will provide 1 crore rupees to the families of each person who has lost their life in this tragedy. We will also cover the medical expenses of those injured and ensure that they receive all necessary care and support. Additionally, we will provide support in the building up of the BJ Medical's hostel, Tata Sons chairman N. Chandrasekaran said on X. Earlier, Air India released a breakdown of the nationalities of those on board. 169 were Indian nationals, 53 British, 7 Portuguese, and 1 Canadian. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.